Google Maps may soon let you order food from a restaurant ready to pick up, as well as recommend your restaurants on the way. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. According to hidden code found inside the latest version of Google Maps for Android, it includes text strings such as "Ask Maps to order food," "Say what you're craving," and Maps will order for you even while you're on the go. The feature isn't live yet, so it's difficult to say exactly how it would work, but it looks like you would be able to quickly request something on the menu at a restaurant and then pick it up yourself. There might be an option to dine in or to have your food delivered to you if you weren't traveling, so maybe this will work in partnership with apps such as DoorDash and Uber Eats rather than replacing them. The Ask Maps feature, referred to in the code leak as the recently introduced Gemini-powered tool that lets you have a natural conversation with Google Maps about anything you found or are looking for. This is the same part of the interface where the food ordering will be placed as well, using Gemini's power to take action for you, though it's not clear just how much autonomy the AI would have. It might even be restricted to certain phones, like the Magic Q feature that's currently exclusive to the Pixel 10 series. However, it seems likely that Google would want to make this as widely available as possible. Users will have to wait and see how this works, or if it does make it to the app at all. The next big announcements from Google should come along with the Pixel 11 launch, which is expected sometime in August. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.